you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I wanted to do a quick giveaway for you guys with a Cirkul water bottle. Do you want to know how to enter? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So if you've been following me, you know I absolutely love Cirkul. I don't drink anything really other than alcohol. Just my Cirkul. So I have my Cirkul with me every single day. It's like the first thing that I grab when I get home is I grab my water bottle. It's the last thing that I put away before I go to bed is putting away my water bottle. I always tell you guys how much I love Cirkul. I'm so glad that they actually reached out to me several years ago. That's how I originally heard about them. But I have placed several orders for myself and for friends and for family. And I just love that I'm drinking so much water willingly, and Cirkul is helping me do that, especially right now. It is getting so hot here in Florida. It's literally over 100 degrees in the shade. So we definitely need to stay hydrated. That is an extremely important thing, especially in this time of year being so hot. You definitely do not want to get dehydrated. We have to stay hydrated, and Cirkul will definitely help you with that. So long story short, I was placing an order to get some more sips, and I saw in my account that I could redeem certain points for products. And I was like, oh, I did not know I could do that. So when I was looking at the different ones, they had the set, and I had enough points to redeem 2 different sets. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to redeem those sets, and I'm going to give these to 2 of you guys because I want you to try it. If you have never tried Cirkul before, then I would like you to enter in so you can get a chance to try it. If you already have a Cirkul, I would just please suggest maybe letting this one go for somebody who hasn't, just because again, I'm trying to stress the importance of staying hydrated and drinking water. So I definitely want these to go to somebody who has not tried it yet. So that being said, if you would like to win one of these, what's inside is it comes in this little box. I did cut the tape so I can make sure that everything was inside. And when you open it up, it has the clear plastic bottle, and it comes with 2 different sip cartridges. It comes with the fruit punch, and then it comes with mixed berries, which, to be honest, those are one of my favorites from them. I mean, I pretty much love every single one except the one that has mango and the one that has coconut, because those are the 2 things that I personally just don't care for. But everything else is so good. I'm telling you, I just love Cirkul. And I know a lot of people ask, how many bottles will one take if you don't know? So with this, you do put your little flavor cartridge inside. So it depends on what level you're comfortable with. If you like more flavor and your dial is turned up higher, you're going to have less refills because you're using more of the flavor. If you go less flavor, you're going to use it more. So you're going to be filling your bottle more because you'll have more flavor, if that makes sense. So it all is based on your own liking on which flavor dial you have it set to. Me personally, I always keep mine at a 3. 3 is just enough flavor. 4 is a little sweeter, but once it gets a little bit low, I'll end up going to like a 4 or a 5 just to get the last little bit, and then I replace the flavor cartridge with a new one. But I do fill my bottle several times with water before I change my my little flavor cartridge. So to me, these are definitely worth it, because if you were to buy just like the bottled water in the store that's flavored, normally it's like $1 each. So yeah, these sips are like 3 something each, but you're filling it up several times. So you are getting your money's worth when it comes to this, and they fit in your cup holder. They're on the go ready. I absolutely love Cirkul. I can't stress that enough. So if you would like to know how to enter, I'm going to do this just like my normal giveaways, quick, simple, and easy. This one though, however, I'm just going to let this run through the weekend. And then on Monday, I will then have a random comment picker choose 2 different winners so I can get these out to you. It is way too hot in this world right now. I definitely want to get these in your hands so you can start drinking more water and stay hydrated. So again, 2 winners will win 1 bottle and 2 cartridges. And this is how you would do it. Number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do what I do, to give back to those that are here actively and positively supporting me on my channel. So be subscribed to my channel. If you're not, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing, and then you can be entered. Number 2, you must give this video a big thumbs up. Just like this video, leave one comment down below and put the word enter me, and then just tell me what your favorite thing is about summer. So tell me what your favorite thing is about summer and put the words enter me, so when I use my random comment picker, it'll cipher through the ones using the word enter me. Now, if you do not want to enter, just don't use the words enter me in the comment, but you can put as many comments as you would like, but only one of them enter it in to make it fair for everybody. And again, please only enter in if you have not had a Cirkul before. I would greatly appreciate that because I want these to go into hands that have not tried Cirkul. The next rule would be you must have a United States address for me to mail them to. I don't care where you live, as long as I'm paying for a United States mailing address to ship them to. And you must be over the age of 18 or have somebody over the age of 18 to enter in for you so I can communicate with an adult getting addresses and that kind of thing. And that is it. All I ever ask is to smile. That is free of charge as well. So that is all simple, easy rules. Be subscribed to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Leave one comment down below with the words enter me, only one per username. Have a United States address for me to mail them to, and be over the age of 18. Simple and sweet. Again, I will have this run just throughout the weekend. So Monday morning, it'll end. I will have the random comment picker cipher through the comments that say enter me. I will then comment back to 2 different people saying congratulations, you are the current winner of this giveaway, and now have 48 hours to respond. If you do not respond back to me within 48 hours, a new winner must be drawn, and the same rules will apply. I will go back to the random comment picker, have it choose another one that says enter me. The new winner now will have 48 hours, so on and so forth until I get a confirmed win. Down below in the description box will say the official end date in case there's any questions, but then when this is over, it will say congratulations to so-and-so, has 48 hours to respond or confirmed. So there'll be 2 different winners, winner 1, winner 2, the name, and then it'll say that. If it says still has 48 hours to confirm, then hold tight. I might need to choose a new winner. The new winner might be you, but I do giveaways on my channel as much as I can to give back to you guys to show my appreciation, because I greatly do appreciate every single one of you. So that is everything for this one. Again, this is just something that I wanted to do because once I saw that I can get these, I'm like, oh my gosh, no, I want to get those and I want to give them in the hands of my viewers because I love Cirkul so much. So now I want to bring Cirkul to 2 of you guys' homes so you can start staying hydrated and see what all this hype is about. Like, I have been drinking Cirkul way before they blew up on TikTok. Like, I have been using my Cirkul for so long. Like I said, way before they were all on TikTok, and then they went into Bed Bath & Beyond, and I was so excited. Now they're all in Walmarts, which that is even more exciting. I'm waiting for Target next. That's normally where I shop, but I can just go straight to Cirkul.com. I can order it directly from their website. I am in Florida as they are, so I get really quick delivery. And if you order bundles over a certain amount, you have free standard shipping. So I just love Cirkul. I can't stress that enough. And if you do order from Cirkul, the best way that I found to save the most money is going into the builder. So even if you just want sips, or if you just want bottles or lids, whatever it is that you want to purchase, as long as it's more than one item, you can just go ahead and just put it all in that little builder. The more you add, the more you're building up in your cart, the more money you will save. So that's what I do. If you go up to a certain amount, you will save the most amount of money doing it that way. So I strongly suggest going to the builder when you are ordering anything from Cirkul, but you can get all of their bottles, the stainless steel, the plastic, whatever color. They have custom bottles. So if you have an image or you know how you want it to look, you can have them design your own custom bottle on the plastic ones. For me personally, I prefer the stainless steel bottles because they stay so much colder and you don't get that water condensation. I wish they had little packs like this with the stainless steel, or else I would have tried to get those. I'm sure it would have been a whole lot more in points, but I only saw these, so this is what I was getting, so I can give this to 2 of you guys. So again, that is everything. If you want to enter, go ahead and enter, simple and easy, like all of my giveaways. And on Monday morning, this coming up Monday morning, I will then use that random comment picker and choose 2 different people to win these boxes. I'm so excited. All right, you guys, so that is everything for this particular video. Again, I was placing my order for my sips and I'm like, ooh, I can redeem these. Yes, please. Let me give them to 2 of you. So comment down below and let me know, have you heard of Cirkul? Have you tried Cirkul? Do you like Cirkul? Do you want to? Is there another water bottle or watering system that you prefer better? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty Crew.